Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress blocks. Blocks are the fundamental building blocks of your WordPress content, allowing you to create rich and dynamic layouts with ease. Think of them as individual content pieces, like paragraphs, images, or headings, that you can arrange and customize. This system empowers you to design beautiful pages and posts without needing any complex coding skills, making website creation accessible to everyone. Adding blocks is super simple. Just click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area, to open the block inserter. From there, you can browse or search for the specific block you need, like a heading or an image. Once added, you can easily drag and drop blocks to rearrange them on your page. For more complex layouts, the list view provides a clear overview, helping you manage and reorder your content with precision. Customizing your blocks is where your creativity truly shines. Every block comes with its own set of unique settings, typically found in the sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here, you can adjust everything from text colors and font sizes to padding and margins, giving you fine-grained control over your design. A convenient toolbar also appears directly above each block, offering quick access to common formatting options like bolding text or changing alignment. Beyond the basics, WordPress blocks offer powerful advanced features to streamline your workflow. You can group several blocks together, treating them as one unit, which is fantastic for consistent layouts. Even better, save any block or group of blocks as a reusable block, allowing you to insert that exact content anywhere on your site with just a few clicks. Don't forget to explore block patterns, which are pre-designed sections that can kickstart your page creation.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.